Tremendous growth for the quarter. I think what all of your investors want to know is, when does the growth start to slow?
Well, we're in a really large market, about a $20 billion total addressable market. Security spending strong. Security remains a top priority for almost every organization in the world. And Palo Alto is delivering a platform that actually seriously helps organizations deal with cyber attacks. So we think there's a long runway in front of us. We have about a single-digit market share today, high single-digit market share there. So we think we've got a lot of growth in front of us.
Are you looking at acquisitions to add more security functionality? Obviously, there's been a lot of M&A in the industry. We've had the CEO of FireEye come out, Dave DeWalt, and said he sees more consolidation. What do you think?
I think it's possible. It's certainly happening in the industry. From a Palo Alto perspective, what the secret sauce for Palo Alto really is we've created a natively integrated platform. So a lot of the capabilities and functionalities that organizations are looking for are native to one platform. We've done a few small acquisitions in order to help us address the serviceable market faster. As a matter of fact, yesterday we announced the acquisition of a small company called Zero Secure, so we can safely enable SaaS applications. So we continue to look at things like that.
What about things the other way around, Mark? Have you had any conversations with larger companies that might like to acquire Palo Alto because of its extraordinary growth profile and the fact that it's in pretty much the hottest sector in tech?
Well, you think, like I said, when you think about the market opportunity with a $20 billion addressable market, high single-digit market share, and us growing, sales at well over $1 billion at more than 50%, we're creating a lot of shareholder value. We think we got the opportunity to do that on our own as we go forward.
Mark, most of your revenue is still derived from competitive displacements as opposed to refreshing your captive installed base. How competitive is the landscape right now?
It's a very seriously competitive market, and we're well aware of that. We're executing well in that environment. Almost 100% of our sales are displacement sales for new logos, and that shows the power of the platform and what we're doing from a breach prevention perspective in order to remove those legacy players at the rate we're doing.
How about challenges you face in scaling up to meet the demand for your products?
Well, scaling well is something we think about all the time. When you're growing as fast as we are, again, 55% revenue growth at almost $1 billion run rate, there's a lot of challenges and opportunities with that. As an executive management team and board, we spend a lot of time making sure that we can execute well into the future.
All right, Mark, we thank you for spending time with us on Market Makers this morning. Mark McLaughlin is Chairman, President, and CEO of Palo Alto Networks.